Hi. Welcome to Just Trading. In this video, our team give you an analysis with the information we got after the closing day of August 19, 2020. Our objective is to give you suggestions to trade with less risk and higher capital return. Remember to stop the video at any time, if you want to look at it carefully. Here, we show you an example of the stock's timestamp that you can find on the video's comments. You can click on the timestamp and go to the stock's details. SP 500 ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Dow Jones Industrial ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Nasdaq 100 ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Corporate bond ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the market sectors table. There is a strong opportunity to buy real estate sector ETF. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 3.3%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $35.79. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.15. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell material sector ETF. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 2.8%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $62.11. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.31.
Energy sector ETF belongs to the trade normal class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of energy sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Phillips 66 company. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 7.0%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $61.64. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.21. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. ExxonMobil Corporation is a strong buy suggestion. It is on a bear low class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 1.2%. You may expect now a buy return of 2.7%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $42.94, but we expect a possible buy price of $41.74. In addition, we suggest to stop buying ExxonMobil Corporation if it is below 1.40% of your stock price trade. On the call option table, ExxonMobil Corporation has a striking price at $42.5. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.17, but we expect a possible call price at $0.12. Financial sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of financial sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a weak opportunity to sell Goldman Sachs Group. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 3.5%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $202.73. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.12. Berkshire Hathaway is a weak buy suggestion. It is on a bull high class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 0.7%. You may expect now a buy return of 6.5%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $207.81, but we expect a possible buy price of $205.91. In addition, we suggest to stop buying Berkshire Hathaway if it is below 0.25% of your stock price trade. On the call option table, Berkshire Hathaway has a striking price at $210. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.28, but we expect a possible call price at $0.12. Goldman Sachs Group is a weak sell suggestion. It is on a bear normal class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average sell return of 0.3%. You may expect now a sell return of 3.5%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $202.73, but we expect a possible sell price of $208.22. In addition, we suggest to stop selling Goldman Sachs Group if it is over 1.90% of your stock price trade. On the put option table, Goldman Sachs Group has a striking price at $202.5. For this option, the actual put price is at $1.31, but we expect a possible put price at $0.12. Real estate sector ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of real estate sector. There is a mild opportunity to buy Crown Castle. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 1.6%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $165.68. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.08. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Crown Castle is a mild buy suggestion. It is on a trade low class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 0.9%. You may expect now a buy return of 1.6%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $165.68, but we expect a possible buy price of $161.57. In addition, we suggest to stop buying Crown Castle if it is below 2.00% of your stock price trade. On the call option table, Crown Castle has a striking price at $165. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.2, but we expect a possible call price at $0.08.
Healthcare sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of healthcare sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Gilead Sciences. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 6.2%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $68.78. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.08. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Merck Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 4.7%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $84.73. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.08. Industrial sector ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of industrial sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Boeing Company. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 4.8%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $176.61. For call option, a possible call price is at $1.46. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. General Electric is a mild buy suggestion. It is on a trade high class. In the past, our analysis shows you that it has given an average buy return of 4.3%. You may expect now a buy return of 5.5%. We suggest to buy it at a maximum price of $6.44. But we expect a possible buy price of $6.4. In addition, we suggest to stop buying General Electric if it is below 0.65% of your stock price trade. On the call option table, General Electric has a striking price at $6.5. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.05, but we expect a possible call price at $0.05. Raytheon Technologies was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Raytheon Technologies is a below class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 3.2%. You may expect now a buy return of 3.9%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $64.07. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $60.72, unless is undervalued. On the call option table, Raytheon Technologies has a striking price at $62.5. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.3, but we expect a possible call price at $0.24.
Material sector ETF belongs to the trade low class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of material sector. There is a weak opportunity to buy Ecolab Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 3.5%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $196.64. For call option, a possible call price is at $1.74. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Discretionary sector ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of discretionary sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a strong opportunity to sell Nike Incorporated. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.4%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $107.89. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.13. Consumer Staples ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of staples sector. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to buy. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell Costco Wholesale. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 1.4%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $338.51. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.01.
Technology sector ETF belongs to the bull high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of technology sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Cisco Systems Company. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 3.2%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $44.06. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.02. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Broadcom Incorporated was the previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Broadcom Incorporated is a bear high class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 2.3%. You may expect now a buy return of 0.4%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $330.53, but we expect a possible sell price of $338.61. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $328.64, unless it's undervalued. On the call option table, Broadcom Incorporated has a striking price at $332.5. For this option, the actual call price is at $1.03, but we expect a possible call price at $0.1. Communication sector ETF belongs to the bull-high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of communication sector. There is a weak opportunity to buy T-Mobile US. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 7.4%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $116.29. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.02. On the other hand, there is a mild opportunity to sell Verizon Communications. You can observe, it has an expected sell return of 0.2%. You may sell it at a minimum price of $58.84. For put option, a possible put price is at $0.01. Utility sector ETF belongs to the bear high class. Today, our analysis does not list it as a suggestion to buy or sell. Let's look at the stocks table of utility sector. There is a strong opportunity to buy Duke Energy. You can observe, it has an expected buy return of 5.2%. You may buy it at a maximum price of $82.8. For call option, a possible call price is at $0.83. Our analysis does not list the top opportunity to sell. Dominion Energy was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Dominion Energy is a bear normal class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 2.9%. You may expect now a buy return of 0.9%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $78.67, but we expect a possible sell price of $79.28. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $76.46, unless it's undervalued. On the call option table, Dominion Energy has a striking price at $77.5. For this option, the actual call price is at $0.75, but we expect a possible call price at $0.31. Duke Energy was a previous top buy alternative. Today, our analysis is suggesting to continue holding it long. You can observe that Duke Energy is a bear high class. In the past, it has given an average buy return of 4.4%. You may expect now a buy return of 5.2%. We suggest to sell it at a minimum price of $85.93. On the other hand, we suggest to stop buying if the price is $81.15, unless it's undervalued. On the call option table, Duke Energy has a striking price at $80. For this option, the actual call price is at $1.75, but we expect a possible call price at $0.83.
This ends the analysis of our team that gives you a good start on your trading day. Please, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share it and leave it a like if you find it useful. Thanks for following us. We hope to see you on our next JusTrading video. Bye.